All right, so today's the day. Here it is. It's Friday, October 20th. Just got my Gearbox Pro paddle in. This is the brand new release. I tried to purchase through gearbox.com, but I got there just a little bit too late. They went out of stock, so I started looking at other places. Pickleball Central had it in stock. I did call them just to make sure it was physically in stock and that it would ship. They said yes, so I went ahead and ordered it from them. That was on, I think, Monday? So here it is, Friday, October 20th. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick look at it. I did already open this up, so this is not really a true unboxing video, and I'm sad to say there is an issue with the paddle, so we'll get into that in a second here. But one thing that I do not like at all when I buy a paddle is when they send a paddle in a padded bag like this with just a little bit of padding. So basically your paddle is just sitting in there. I do sell some of my old paddles, and when I ship them, I put them in a cardboard box, so that way I know that it's not going to get, damaged or anything in shipping, and my customers will, get a good product. This unfortunately was not the case. This one did get damaged in shipping. I was super excited to use this for my league this week. And that's not going to happen. So I'll have to update you guys on another video of how things go with trying to return this. So let's get into the paddle here itself. Just arrives in a small little gearbox sleeve like this. No fancy stuff, no covers, nothing like that. Let's take a first look at it here. All right, and like I said, this is the Pro Control series. It's got a pretty nice face on it. This carbon face definitely kind of reminds me of the Carbon 1 paddle. I did use that paddle for just a little bit, and this face has that same feel to me. I don't know, of course, how it plays because I'm not going to use it due to the damage that was on it. And as you guys can see here on this edge, there's a slight edge on this, which I wouldn't really call it an edge guard. I don't know what's on the other side of this. I would hope that it is just like the regular gearbox paddles where it's just a nice smooth edge. But this does have a coating on the edge. So some people on the forum had said that it's just a gel coat edge on it, which, it does kind of seem that way. But I'm going to zoom in on this at another point in the video. Mine arrived, and it's all chipped and cracked right here on this lower edge guard. And, looking inside the bag, I can see the pieces of black gel coat or plastic or whatever that is inside the bag. So I have to assume that it either happened in transit from Gearbox to Pickleball Central, or if Gearbox had sent it out directly for Pickleball Central, I don't know. But the damage did happen at some point. And it's just enough damage on a new paddle like this. It wasn't cheap, so I'm going to go ahead and do a return on this, and possibly get another one, or maybe I will just wait until I see some other reviews and see how they hold up, because this right out of the gate, this will be my 5th gearbox paddle, and I've dug in with them, and I've scraped them, and I've collided with other people's paddles, random crazy things, bringing them back and forth to the court, and my edges are really good. Like, I haven't had any issues with the edges of my gearbox paddles, and this is the first time I've ever seen an issue. So that might be the case, but like I said, the feel is good. It feels a lot like the CX14 that I had. So I mean, as far as the play goes, I'm not sure how this surface would do, but I would assume it's going to generate a lot of spin because, like I said, it reminds me of that Carbon 1 paddle. Pretty neat design. I do like the black and white. There are some, like when you look at the paddle, you do see some like lines. I don't know if that's from just the carbon fiber milling, but you can see there's a very defined line going across the paddle here. I mean, you can't feel it. It's not raised. It's just like a discoloring maybe in the carbon fiber. Other than that, it's got the 4-inch grip, which feels very similar to the other grips that are, I did the 13 and 3 and 5, 15, 16-inch grip, sorry, on the other paddles, and it feels almost identical. If I was to put an over grip on here, I'd probably like the little bit of a larger grip. That would be nice. I do think it's a decent paddle. I wish I could get out there and show you guys how it plays, but unfortunately, like I said, this one is going to have to go back due to those this chipping on the edge guard here. And I'm going to go ahead and now zoom in on this for you guys. All right, so just to give you guys an idea of what where the damage is on this paddle. So when it arrived, right there on that edge guard or edge gel coat, can't really tell what it is, but you can see right there that there was some chipping there. It's not raised up very much. You know, you can just feel that edge there. It's just like I said, like almost like gel coat, which is what somebody had said to me on one of the forums. But with all that chipped off like that on a brand new paddle right out of the box, I'm definitely going to have to send this back. And honestly, I don't really know how well that would hold up when you're playing. To be honest with you, if it was able to just chip off like that in shipping, being in the plastic bubble wrap and stuff like that, it could be an issue down the road for Gearbox. Hopefully, it's not. But if it is, you saw it here first. I hope you liked the video. Like I said, this is the first look at the Gearbox Pro. It just came out this week, and here it is. Wish I could take it out and use it today, but that's not the case. So I will post back hopefully with information on how the return goes. Hope everything goes well with that. I probably won't be able to get another one because now they're 3 to 5 weeks out on back order at every place I've checked. So probably just going to use my old gearboxes for now and keep an eye on reviews and see how everybody else is liking them. Thanks for watching.